Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar street lights that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Deepin Solar Lights Outdoor 9000W, a commercial-grade solution that boasts an astounding 480,000 lumens of brightness. This product is equipped with an impressive 1,680 high-efficiency LED beads, ensuring maximum illumination over an expansive range of up to 5,200 square feet. With its 3 intelligent lighting modes, including motion sensitivity and timer options, this model offers incredible flexibility for both residential and commercial applications. The build quality is another standout feature. The die-cast aluminum frame, combined with an IP66 waterproof rating, ensures it can withstand harsh weather conditions, making it a durable choice for long-term outdoor use. It also features a 6V high-capacity battery that supports 12 to 14 hours of continuous operation after a full charge, making it a reliable option for dusk-to-dawn illumination. While the brightness and durability are unmatched, the lack of a listed price and relatively heavy weight, 20 pounds, might make it less appealing for budget-conscious buyers or those looking for a lightweight option. This product is ideal for large commercial spaces like parking lots or sports fields. However, it does require a more robust installation process compared to simpler models. At number 4, we have the Brightwi 4-pack Solar Street Light Outdoor, a versatile and energy-efficient option for those seeking reliable lighting for medium-sized outdoor areas. With a brightness of 30,000 lumens, thanks to its 180 ultra-large LED chips, this model is 30% brighter than standard solar lights. The included 5,000 mAh battery offers extended runtime, supporting 10 to 12 hours of continuous lighting after just 6 to 8 hours of charging. The design is sleek and compact, featuring an IP65-rated ABS material that is resistant to rain, dust, and UV damage, ensuring longevity even in harsh weather conditions. It comes with a remote control that allows you to toggle between 4 lighting modes, including custom brightness levels and motion sensing options. The dual installation options, wall and pole mount, add to its versatility, making it suitable for driveways, patios, and parking lots. While this model offers excellent features and durability, the brightness might not be sufficient for very large spaces, and the installation process can be a bit time-consuming. Overall, the Brightwi solar lights strike a great balance between performance and affordability, making them a solid choice for residential and small commercial use. Coming in at number 3 is the Deepin Solar Lights Outdoor for Outside, a high-quality and affordable lighting solution that packs a punch with its 330 high-efficiency LED beads. Delivering a brightness of 990 lumens and covering an illumination range of 1,800 square feet, this model is perfect for medium-sized outdoor areas like backyards, garages, and porches. Its 3 intelligent lighting modes, including motion sensing, timed lighting, and always-on functionality, provide flexibility for various use cases. The IP66 waterproof rating and durable ABS housing make this product a robust choice for all weather conditions. It's lightweight and easy to install, with no wiring required, and comes with a remote control for added convenience. The no-electricity design ensures zero energy costs, making this an eco-friendly option. However, with a lower brightness compared to other models on this list, this product may not be ideal for larger spaces. Additionally, the remote control range of 20 feet could be limiting. That said, the Deepin Solar Lights Outdoor stand out for their overall value, especially for homeowners looking for affordable and reliable security lighting. At number 2, we have the CNOI Solar Street Lights Outdoor Waterproof. This budget-friendly model offers an impressive 20,000 lumens of brightness. powered by 384 high-quality LED beads. It features a high-capacity 6,000 mAh battery and an efficient monocrystalline silicon solar panel, providing 10 to 12 hours of continuous lighting after just 6 to 8 hours of charging. With 3 lighting modes and adjustable brightness levels, this model is highly versatile for various applications, such as driveways, pathways, and parking lots. The build quality is excellent, with a robust ABS and metal frame that ensures durability and weather resistance. The IP65 waterproof rating means it can handle heavy rain, snow, and extreme temperatures. It also includes both wall and pole mounting options, making installation straightforward and flexible. While the CNOI Jutes model excels in brightness and affordability, its smaller size and lower coverage area might not be suitable for larger commercial spaces. However, for its price, this product delivers exceptional value, making it the ideal choice for those seeking a cost-effective yet powerful lighting solution. Finally, the top spot goes to the Acro Solar Lights Outdoor Waterproof. This premium option is packed with features, including a massive brightness output of 50,000 lumens, thanks to its 300 high-efficiency LED beads. With 5 customizable lighting modes and a reliable motion sensor, this model offers unparalleled versatility for both residential and commercial applications. The large capacity battery ensures consistent dusk-to-dawn operation after just 6 to 8 hours of sunlight charging. The build quality is top-notch, featuring a durable ABS frame and an IP65 waterproof rating, ensuring it can withstand severe weather conditions. The 4-pack design offers extensive coverage, making it perfect for larger spaces like parking lots, gardens, and streets. The included remote control allows for easy customization of lighting settings, including motion detection and timer options. While the Acro model is the most expensive on this list, its superior performance, durability, and features make it well worth the investment. If you're looking for the best of the best in solar street lighting, the Acro Solar Lights Outdoor is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.